If you want Microsoft Edge to show search suggestions while you type, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to enable search suggestions on Microsoft Edge in just a few quick steps so you can get faster results, save time, and make browsing a lot easier. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps most of its main settings and options. From the menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. What you want to do next is click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls a lot of the browsing and search-related features in Edge, so this is the right place to go. Now, scroll through the available options until you find Search and Connected Experiences. Click that section to expand it. Under that, look for Address Bar and Search. This is where you can manage how Edge handles search suggestions when you type in the address bar. Once you open Address Bar and Search, look for the option called Search Suggestions and Filters. When you find it, turn on the setting that says Show me search and site suggestions using my typed characters. This is the key option that enables suggestions as you type, helping Edge show related searches and site results right in the address bar. After turning that on, you can close the Settings tab. At this point, search suggestions should now be enabled in Microsoft Edge. To test it, click in the address bar and start typing a word or phrase. You should see suggested searches and websites appear below the bar as you type. If you don't see suggestions right away, give it a moment and make sure your internet connection is working properly. In some cases, restarting Edge can also help the change take effect faster. And if you ever want to turn the feature off later, just come back to the same settings page and switch the option off again. So that's how to enable search suggestions on Microsoft Edge. It only takes a minute, but it can make browsing much more efficient. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.